We will load everything of this on this open container. It sounds incredible, but how we achieve it later, I will show you. The truck we use is very long, it's about 29 meters, you can see. The first step is to put the main punctuations on this container. Next, we will put the side punctuation on top of the main punctuation, so our workers is putting the rubber on the surface of the main punctuation to keep it from sliding. In order to raise the excavator higher, we designed this special bracket so the excavator boom can be straight. Finally, with our workers' efforts, these 4-unit amphibious excavator are well loaded on this open container. If you have more orders, just throw at us. We will treat it in the best possible way.